Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, before you get your SIM eject tool as you would normally do, just throw it away. It really for this phone doesn't matter. We can't really use this, so just get rid of it. And what you want to do is get the screwdriver. Now it comes with the device in the box, and if you before didn't have any slightest clue what it is for, it's basically to actually insert a SIM and SD card into your phone. So let's flip over our device, and you will see basically where we have the ULEFONE logo. This little plate has 4 screws, and that's where we will insert our SIM and SD card. So let's take that screwdriver and unscrew it, as you can see. Now be careful, these screws aren't really captive screws, so they will simply come out. Not the most elegant way of dealing with inserting SIM and SD card. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, there's the little tray, if you can call it a tray. And in here we have space, like you see, for the SD card and 2 different SIM cards. Now to insert them, what you want to do is, I believe, let's see, is it up or down? Okay, so you push them up, as you can see, at which point you can flip it over. Let me use maybe this. There we go. As you can see, same thing goes with the SD tray. Like so. So once you flip them up, I'm gonna take the SD card first. I'm gonna basically place it on the spot like it's supposed to be, which is right about here. It does have a little cutout, if you can see it right over here, so it shouldn't really move. And once it's in place, what you want to do is basically flop this down, push it down firmly, and then while pushing it down, slide it down so it locks in place. And the same way you will go about the SD card, or SIM card I mean. You can see you place it like so, flip that down, boom, and it's locked in place. Now we can flip it over, and let's see, do we need to reboot the device? It looks like we do need to reboot the device for those cards to work. So let's power key and reboot, and let's wait for the device to actually boot back up. Okay, so now the device is back on. You can see to enter SIM pin, so the SIM card is working. So I'm gonna insert that, check mark, there we go. And I can also see the logo for the SD card, which means that the SD card is working as well. And that is basically how you insert both of them. Now I'll also mention that once you have inserted them, you might want to basically lock it back up. So just place the thing up here and screw it back in place, which is, well, obviously what you would do. So yeah, that is basically how you would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.